Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Nyautrap Youth Council Nongstan Circle hapo kajengalam usamla lumlang khars imle u President ka HYC haringkat kajengadan lang usamla Oliver Twist Marangar u Vice President ka HYC West Khasi Hills District haringkat ru dikhat kaseng hakane kasngi ka khatway tarik u banai jilio arhaja apusan kilabat bat Pynphai no ya kilai Tylli ki Trok na Assam ki bawan kit Dieng na Assam banthong haki area ka West Khasi Hills District lingba ka Regeneration Meghalaya project Katkom ka khubor balapha u President ka HYC West Khasi Hills District ulaong bakaseng ka Pynphai ki Trok halor ki nongrim bakini ki Trok kimbyang ki kot kisla kum ki trading license na ki HADC ka NOC na Katnat Forest ka chalan ne ka invoice ka certificate 40 sensitization ne ka certificate bantes laki donjing pang ne em habaki wanra nashabar da ka sarkar jilla kumju ka jing menjur lang ki trai jaka ban wanra ne em nabar Shushu ka khubor na kinong yalam ka HYC kilaong ru baka way kamat kum kaseng ka kwa baka day ka project ha Meghalaya balay ka penmentoy ya ki way ki jilla lada ki kwa bakan mentoy ya ka jilla Assam ne ki way rano sha Assam ne ki way pat ki jilla Hikarpat ya ka ki HADC bat ka sarkar jilla ban kershan lem bakinu kinu ki project ki bawan sha ka jilla ki day ban pen em ne pen yo nong ya ka jilla ba de ka jat ben rio jongi habaro ki liang laong ka khubor na usamla lumlang Shushu ulapan pauru ba ka HYC kanom ailat hapo West Khasi Hills District bat kanom ailat iki weipat ki jilla ban wanra Dieng na shabar Henry ka jingkwa ka ne ka project kan wanra e ka jing mentoy ha ka jilla baro ka way ban kentiu ya ki brio la jong ya ki way ki jilla
No, see this it's not only nursery, no? It's not only nursery, it's about jobs, it's about foreign land, all that. Yes, nursery they should have brought more from Meghalaya.
No,
But I think
like
last
that.
year they got from Meghalaya.
For the first time they requested
Nursery, yes.
But after that, I don't know for that. I think that somewhere that they will be adopted or something.
See, I
They
think
bring it here, so
see,
without document, so I will request you that to ask him to go back. Then no problem.
So see, Pak Lumlang, there are two things here, okay? All the species, all the plant species, some of them get only in Meghalaya, especially the cold weather climatic zone one. No, get only in Khasi Hill. That you'll not even get in Riboy or Jengkia. You'll only get in East Khasi Hill, some part of West Khasi Hill. All one, no? And then that one, you speak to Kongmam and others also, you will find that with Alphon commandos, you'll find that now we're asking all the nurseries, give us whatever you have, which is good quantity, we will buy.
Because you see that I example from from the Rang side. Last year they plantation that video that 38 lakh maybe, but because they blew from Assam, that 40% or 60% they die. We think that it's not good. And also from us we request this project, we think that the benefit of our people, maybe from the nursery and everything.
Nursery, land,
But yes,
plantation.
but this project, we think now we understand that this project is not benefit for the people of Meghalaya. It's benefit for the other.
Why do you say that? See, it's creating so
We
many
see.
jobs.
No, we understand. Sengi ke Bamta, nakliang jungi ka Nursery Youth Council West Khasi Hills District. Harakat pat ka spai jo kono Nursery Circle kamtam. Hadin ba nakliang ka jongki khat jungi hane ki yi bakni ki Trok ki bahasa pan banbu ki ding sapling ki ding rit nam ta ban thung ki jaka. Leng ba ka way ka project ka ba he apo jong ka jala ki jungi ka RM project ka Regeneration Meghalaya project. Ti nakliang jungi kilapat ini Trok nilai jangan lawan kat di khar gili ba kila walam ni ki Trok hadin ke bangi keli kidan em ya kita ka tes kawan pinti kena ba uni jing thung sapling buan rak na par udan em ya ka jing khia namari ka jing yap jing kiding ka jing yap jing kiding ka jing kta jing ki jing thu jing te pru ka di jing wan rak sambai na sabar kamtam ni bala he kum ki si sapling ki dingrit tentu Tiwan rak ke Jepang nomor gitu kumbala ong dari officer yang ka Meghalaya yang barak dekat katsau kasan teliki jempak ti nak liang jungi ngila wan hang ni ngila ong pa pidan tajing pensia ki tes ke bagi ya kata kes ke bagi ong ka photon sensitization ti yak ni la ki yo yang ni tes bat pentik na bendi jing thum kidan jing project khia kim sem la don ya kata ti dengipan nomor ki wan le business hang ni riu nomor bar ki lagi lak teli kita rai lagi light lagi trok lagi lak teli kita rai tidak kali ong ba kidan gi chalan ki ong dan tidak kali nalian joki ngilawan ban keliru ba kidan ka trading license nomor ki wan le business yani syari khasi jongi ki abron ya trading license ki HDC rai kini kim syam badon berhibun ba ngi yo nguru nak kitrai jaka ki ba thungding hapo jaka rem project ki kwa ba kideban Day ke projek juga jela kantam lada thung yauding ba isara ki nursery man ki ba hapok juga jela ke jengi bagi bahagi ding dari dawan rat siapa bun bagi kita hendak ki kwa kata dari kanika company part kita kabor ke kwa ba banwan rat na asam tip kadon usual lendet tindak liang jengi ka sang nginom kwa ban kren kita bentah rengi kwa ba ngi kum ka sang ngi gesan ya kita jaka ke ba kiding dari ban thung ya ki ba wan rat Dua bang rak na syaban rai ide giba lasara lah tung hapo jangka jelah kenapa kini onong kan grade ekli implement jangka jelah ibragoi kan pini onong rai yang jungi kum kasang iso tu sangi keren pada wan rak iki sapling na syabar kin pini onong iki bru na syabar pin ong le yu kata ka regeneration project Meghalaya dewan ong ka regeneration project jangka Assam na ni Manipur ni Nagaland kum ter nang no pini onong tinak liang jengi keren sai ko awit bagani kanong tingis kam nak liang jongka ni project tu ki terparik board jo project kin sim khia bagi nomle ye ke ba itra jaka ke ba ki de ban le ke itra jaka ki kum ka seng spesi ngi ke sa itra jaka ke jing da wa ki ngi musim but kenapa gini project dia ceprang dagi ngi su tu lang itra jaka ba kum juru ka de pin yo nong ye ki bru jongka jelah ke jengi